So usually once a day, my daughter will go out with either myself or my partner and collect all the goose, duck, and sometimes chicken eggs. And she absolutely loves helping out. She has a blast and gets so excited about all the eggs she's collected that day. And here's our piggy tank. And here are our eggs that we collected today. So these eggs here we ordered offline, and we are labeling the duck eggs. This is batch number 5 for us, so we're writing a number 5. And we set them in the incubator once a week. Now I can't remember what kind of duck eggs these are, you guys. I apologize. If I remember, I will put it in the description below. So we're just setting the eggs in the incubator. It has automatic rollers on it, so it's really important that the eggs turn twice a day. You guys, this is a free app. It is called Hatchable, and it is so easy to use. Basically, it just keeps track of all your incubation times, dates, batches, and more. So here, these are the reminders for all our batches. It just shows you what day you put it in, what day it starts to get ready to hatch, when you need to candle it. So right now we are just entering batch number 5 in the app. It goes ahead and tells us how many days it'll be until they are ready to hatch. And then these are where the percentages are until the batch is complete. You guys, our batch is starting to hatch. I am super excited. Here is the crack in the egg, indicating that they are getting ready to break out of their shell. This is our batch number 2. As in the number 2s we wrote on there, and these are a duck egg and a goose egg, and I will just go ahead and show you the size difference between the eggs. We want to keep the incubator at 37.5 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit as the ideal temperature. Now this is a candling light, and I will show you how it. I have attached a chart here to show you the different stages when you candle, so you know if it's a good egg or bad egg and how far along it is. I did my best to give you guys good silhouette shots, but I think it had to be a little bit darker in the room to get the full picture, but I will definitely do a separate video just on candling if you want.
I think towards Mama.
This one's almost cracking.
Might develop will help too.
Oh. Be careful.
We've got 2 more to the family.
Put it up, Mom. So you can see the chicks.
Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, careful.
What?
Oh, they are so cute. We are in the process of building them a little little place to snuggle and stay warm.
Yeah.
Here we are helping the gosling get his first taste and experience drinking water. Once acquainted with the swallowing sensation, we leave it up to them to drink on their own. The other one was just loving the cuddles from my daughter. So this is where we put our little goslings. They've got some green and some fresh water and some nice warm straw. And because they're geese, they love some fresh grass, so we're gonna give them some of that in a bit, but we don't want to overwhelm them right now. They just hatched this morning and it's only 10 in the morning right now. They think we're their mama. And we actually have them in our greenhouse.
Yeah.
So those who know my greenhouse video, this is kind of what's going on right now. We need to replant these. Just keeping an eye. Here's what's going on with my basil. Nothing really much is going on right now. I got a little piece. So how we actually water these, since I'm in here, is we drag this big bucket of water, and then I have a little pitcher, and then I just water them like that. It works. It's nice and warm. We got light. We've got natural daylight. If you can see that, I have like a skylight up there.
Hey, Mom,
So I think they're gonna be happy in here until they're ready to go outside to the barn.
Cause not yet. Cause what latest one picture on here for a minute?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're just gonna chill in here.
Yeah. And let's go play with them for a minute.
Okay, be gentle.
Yep. And I won't get them out either. And I can do like this so that they don't climb out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we're trying to learn to fly soon. We're trying to learn to fly.